We'll guide you through how to choose between Shopify and Wix for your online business needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Shopify's website and Wix's website to understand their core offerings. Shopify is primarily focused on e-commerce, making it an excellent choice if you're planning to run a comprehensive online store. You can explore features like its powerful inventory system, multiple sales channels integration, and robust analytics. On the other hand, Wix offers more flexibility in terms of design and personal websites, with a drag-and-drop builder that is perfect for visually stunning sites with less emphasis on e-commerce. Consider the nature of your business. If you need advanced e-commerce features like recovery of abandoned carts or in-depth customer data tools, Shopify might be your go-to. For more creative freedom, and if your site is more content-driven, Wix's extensive template library and design capabilities could be the better fit. Also, consider your budget. Shopify tends to be more expensive with its plans starting at a higher price point, compared to Wix, which offers affordable plans for small businesses and personal sites. Both platforms offer free trials, so you can try them out before making a decision. Lastly, evaluate the level of customer support you might need. Shopify is known for its 24/7 support, which is crucial for an e-commerce setup, while Wix provides solid support for general website issues. In the end, choosing between Shopify and Wix depends on your specific business needs, budget, and personal preference, in terms of design flexibility and functionality. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.